Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back, okay? I am sharing the space with Princess. I don't know if you can tell, but you know, this past week she has been so clingy, like very clingy. She wants to be on me, around me, near me, rubbing up against my legs, like just near me all the time. And it's wonderful, except for when I have to work. We have a 50 no-sew crochet ideas in this video. I was able to find 50 free crochet patterns, okay? They're all free, not a single one is paid, and they're all no-sew. So if you're anything like me, you hate sewing pieces in, especially if you have to make like the body, the legs, the head, the ears, and the tail, and then you have to sew all of them in perfectly. That's not happening. So I like no-sew patterns above all, and I'm sure a lot of you agree with me because a lot of you guys requested this video over on my Instagram. So that's why it's happening. Before we get into the categories, if any of these patterns are your patterns and you don't want them promoted in this video, DM me over on Instagram and I will take it down. Or if it's linked to the wrong spot, like the wrong shop, the wrong listing, DM me over there and I can fix the issue ASAP. Everything I say will be listed in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a free written pattern or video tutorial. And our categories for this video are keychains, Amigurumi / stuffed animals, and then a miscellaneous category. So, Princess is sleeping on all of my cords, and I'm just begging that she doesn't unplug anything. So, before we jump into our first category, this shrug, I have worn a similar one in a previous video, and everybody's always asking me where that pattern's from. I released a pattern for it. It's over on my shop if you want the pattern for this beautiful, gorgeous green shrug that I'm wearing, or a short sleeve version. I also have a short sleeve version, but they're both on my shop. I'll link them down in the description box below. It's also cheaper if you get the bundled pattern. You get the short sleeve and the long sleeve together. I'll link it down below. But now we can get into our no pulling out cords, please. Oh, you have a lot to say. Let's get this done before she pulls out the cords I need to do this video. Okay, so the first category for this video is keychains. So let's jump into that. For keychains, we have this really cute baby octopus. We have some little jellyfish with also an octopus pattern in this one as well. We have this Saturn planet pattern, or even these cute little phone charms. I know they're phone charms, but I just feel like they could also be really cute keychains if you wanted to do that. You can also make a strawberry, a really simple strawberry, or a little whale. I love this whale because it has a lot of detail. I think I have another whale pattern in this one that's less detailed. You can make this baby shark. I've never seen a shark pattern like this before. It's like a realistic shark pattern compared to the cartoon shark patterns. Princess, if you're gonna eat the cords, you have to leave. So, be on your best behavior. Speaking of whale sharks that are a little less detailed, this one's just more of a round-shaped whale shark. I like this one. You can make a DIY turtle pouch in these 3 pouch options, or even a no-sew macaroon. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I don't eat macaroons, but that's an option. You can make a cupcake. That'll make a cute keychain. Or even these little mushroom boys are so cute. You can make a panda. That one looks really simple, especially with a blanket yarn. Working with blanket yarn is usually easier than working with a weight 4 or less yarn. So if you're new, I recommend doing some stuff with some blanket yarn before you start with smaller, tinier yarns. You can also make these kitten pouches to go on bags, or even these little crocheted hippos. You can make these little mochi bunnies, or even these no-sew crochet cats and dogs. Or these little goldfish. Aren't these goldfish so cute? These goldfish are so cute. You can make these little ducks, adorable, or even some little dolphins for keychains as well. So that is all I have for you for keychains. Let's jump into our Amigurumi / animal toys, because I don't know specifically what makes something Amigurumi and what makes something not Amigurumi, so I have both. I think if there's a difference in this category. So you can make a little caterpillar, or even some really cute gummy bears with velvet yarn. Those are cute. You can make a mini ghost or even a little fluffy soft stingray. You can make a leggy frog character or even a dinosaur. Keep in mind, all of these are there's no sewing involved. You can make this really cute Easter bunny, which I added to my list of to be crocheted. You can make a little axolotl or even a double cheeked up frog. Okay, that one's cute. When I ran across this one looking for no-sew patterns, I immediately was like, yep, I'm adding it because I know my subscribers will like this one. So you can also make a little fried egg or even a pickle. I know those little emotional support pickles have been doing really well at markets, so if you're planning on doing a market soon, maybe make some of these pickles. You can also make this type of jellyfish. It's a little bigger than the keychain ones I showed you. You can make a carrot or even these bullfrogs. I love a frog pattern that's not like the typical frog style and shape. So there's this bullfrog pattern. You can also make a snuggle slug, okay? When I came across these, I was like, what is this? They're so cute. They're adorable. They're snuggle slugs, okay? Imagine your kid's favorite toy or stuffed animal being a slug. Like, I want that to be my kid. You know what I mean? So you can make a snuggle slug, you can make a cloud, or even this really cute kitten, this really cute kitty cat, okay? You can also make some chickens as well. No-sew chickens, which is crazy because there's a lot of parts involved in this chicken, and it's no-sew. That is all I have for you for our Amigurumi / like stuffed animal type ones. Now we're going to be jumping into our miscellaneous category. So for this category, we have these forget-me-not flowers, which are super cute, or even this bigger flower pillow or a base doll. I have this base doll pattern for you because a couple of you have been asking about dolls. So here's one option. I think I even included another option in this video, but there's one option for your base doll pattern, or you can make a mushroom jewelry holder or even some little mouse toys. I've made mouse toys for my cats before and they don't tear it up enough to eat the yarn. So I know there's some worry about that, and if you're worried, don't make them, but I've crocheted toys for my cats before and they're not rough enough players to tear them open, but I do keep an eye on them when they're playing with them, so to each their own, okay? You can also make this doll as well for my doll crocheters. It's a no-sew doll. Nothing better than a doll that you don't have to attach all the limbs onto, okay? You can make a cute little animal-themed wallet or even some simple leg warmers. There's no sewing involved, super quick, super easy first beginner project. You can also make this sunflower pillow similar to the other flower pillow I showed you, just a different flower. You can make this turtle memory game if you have kids. I'm trying to involve one children pattern in every video, at least one, but you can make this kind of memory turtle game completely no sew, and I think that one's a video tutorial, so that one's really cool. You can make this flower blanket or even like make it a baby blanket or a curtain or a pillow cover. You can really do a lot with it, but it's these flowers and they're all attached with no sewing. Like, how? Go watch it, okay? You can also make a photo card frame if you're a K-pop stan, like a lot of you guys in my comments are. You really want me to do a K-pop video, and it's in the works, but for now, here's a free photo card cover pattern, okay, or video tutorial, I'm pretty sure. You can make this no-sew pot holder if you just want to do a simple project or even something for an upcoming market. I have this pot holder for you there too. And that is all 50 of our no-sew crochet ideas. All of these are free and they'll be linked in the description box below in the order that I said it. I also have a Pinterest board of everything on there if you're a Pinterest girly, okay? Once again, if any of these patterns are yours and you don't want them promoted in this video, DM me over on Instagram and I'll take it out. Or if it's a link to the wrong spot, like the wrong listing, the wrong website, a scammer has got a hold of your pattern and I'm linking it there, let me know and I can change where I'm linking things as well. So if there's another video you want me to do for our 50 crochet idea series, leave a comment down below and I will add it to the never-ending list of crochet ideas. Sometimes I post on my Instagram story asking asking you guys what you want to see from me. So if you want to be a part of that, go follow me on Instagram so you don't miss out. But a little reminder, before you go comment down in the description, where's the pattern for the top you're wearing? What about the top you're wearing? Because that's like the number one thing I get. I have a pattern for this on my shop. I linked it in the description box. I'll link it right at the top. Really easy to find. Go click on it. Okay, I also have a short sleeve version of this shrug, but I will see you in the next video. I love you. Bye.